Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow music videos on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Screen Time. Next, go down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. In here, tap on Content Restrictions, and then tap on Music Videos. From the list here, you can choose off or on. So if you want to allow music videos, you want to select on, and to disallow or don't allow music videos, select off. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to your settings, or swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.